In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use Coconote app. So in order to use the Coconote app, you first need to head over to their site, and from in there, go over to coconote.app. You can see the option right here to download the application. When you click on this option, you can see this application of them for desktop as well as for the mobile. So you can download it on web or you can also get it for Mac. If you want to use your laptop or your PC, you can continue with web instead, and then from there you will be prompted to sign up. You can continue with Google or explore more options such as Apple options. They do not allow yet email options, so just choose which one you want. Now, once you're there, you should be able to use their Cocoa Notes. It helps you to do and get detailed organized notes from any lecture, get study materials made by AI, and help you improve your grades by using AI that doesn't break your university's honor code. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you